Formcraft is an architectural, design and construction company that specializes in new office spaces. Commercial construction projects can be massive undertakings that involve a lot of moving pieces. Once a project is in motion, each detail requires individual attention to assure nothing is missed. The role of a Formcraft superintendent is to be responsible for the supervision and completion of the field work through direct site supervision of subcontractors and inspections. The superintendent is also responsible for communicating day-to-day activities with the client, the property manager, and the building engineers. We understand that the construction is loud, messy, and sometimes always inconvenient for others that are not directly involved. But our superintendents understand how you feel and will always try to make the job as safe and as quick as possible.
Formcraft expects us to have a clean job site free of hazards. We ask that all the trades respect their work material and tools.
When subcontractors arrive to a Formcraft job site, each worker of every trade is required to stop into a Formcraft field superintendent's office. For the first-time visitors, a superintendent will go through a general safety orientation. But every day a subcontractor is responsible for filling out an AHA for their activities that they will be performing on that day. This is required to happen every day with a Formcraft superintendent. All subcontractors, architects, engineers, and clients are required to wear the proper PPE on a Formcraft job site.
We ask that you have at least 4 PPEs that are standard at any time on the job site. These PPEs are a hard hat, safety glasses, work boots, and work gloves.
When you arrive to a Formcraft job site, you will notice that the common areas or existing areas that will not be a part of construction but are affected by the day-to-day activities will always be protected. For example, window blinds, window sills, flooring leading in and out of the construction area, elevator lobbies, and freight elevators will properly be protected prior to the start of construction.
We utilize signage to help our contractors work safely. The same signage will also help clients and visitors be safe on site if they follow the instructions on the sign. You will see these signs stating hard hat area, at no entry beyond this point, or location of the nearest hospital, and maybe a few more depending on what segment of construction we are on. Most of the signs are easy to understand and easy to follow.
We are responsible to review, walk the job site every day, not only to review the safety and the scope of work, but the quality of work. We will review with the installer prior to installation to set our expectations.
One of the most exciting responsibilities for us as a superintendent is turning over a completed project to the client with the design they have envisioned since day one and delivering it within the expected time frame and, more importantly, with the established budget.